Welcome to The Edge, AI Strategy, where we guide leaders, consultants, and professionals to turn AI curiosity into business advantage. I'm Dr. Frumi Rachel Barr, founder of the Barr Business School. If you've ever felt that AI is moving faster than you can keep up, this presentation was designed with you in mind. I recently shared it with a group of estate planners, professionals who deal with complex documents, tight deadlines, and clients who expect precision. What you'll see today is how AI can make your work easier, faster, and even more insightful without replacing the judgment and relationships that make your expertise valuable. Let's dive into how AI is reshaping the professional world and how you can start building confidence with it one small, safe step at a time. AI is reshaping the professional landscape. Now is the time to start exploring artificial intelligence in your professional life. In the next 20 minutes, we're going to look at how artificial intelligence is reshaping the professional world and why now that is the time to start. I'll keep this practical. We'll look at the history of AI, why it matters to professionals like us, and how you can start building confidence and taking your first steps with it. AI didn't suddenly appear. It's been evolving for decades. In the 40s and 50s, Alan Turing and others laid the foundation, early neural networks. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference gave us the very term artificial intelligence. The journey has been bumpy, with highs and lows we call AI winters, where funding and enthusiasm dried up. But with big data, faster computers, and today's generative AI, we're in a new era, one that's here to stay. Let's explore some of the practical terms because people throw around these words all the time. Neural network. So let's think of a neural network like the brain of a very simple robot. Our brains are made up of billions of little switches called neurons. Each neuron listens to others, and when enough of them agree, it sends a signal forward. A neural network in a computer works the same way. It has layers of switches. The first layer looks at raw info, letters or numbers. The middle layers look for patterns like words or shapes. And the last layer makes a decision like this is a cat or this is a contract clause. It doesn't understand the way we make decisions, but it learns patterns very quickly. You'll sometimes hear the term AI winter. That just means a period when the excitement and money dried up. Researchers had promised computers would think like humans, but the tech wasn't ready yet, so results fell short. So investors pulled funding. It's called a winter because, like nature, everything slowed down and got quiet until new breakthroughs brought AI back to life. Generative AI is like having a super fast creative assistant. Instead of just repeating what it knows, it can actually make something new, like writing a story, drafting a contract, or creating an image, by learning patterns from millions of examples. Think of it like a Lego master builder. It's seen thousands of Lego sets before. So when you ask it to build something, it doesn't copy an old set exactly. It creates a brand new design using the same building blocks. That's why tools like ChatGPT can write in your voice or help polish a LinkedIn post. Big data is like having a giant library full of billions of books, too many for one person to read. Computers help us look through all those books really fast to find patterns and answers we need. The key takeaway: AI's history has been cyclical, but today's wave is sustainable, powered by unprecedented data, computing power, and proven models. So why does AI matter for professionals? Like estate planners, attorneys, and advisors, because our work revolves around information, documents, and decisions. AI can draft contracts faster. It can summarize meetings into actionable briefs and provide fresh perspectives when strategizing. Importantly, it doesn't replace judgment. It takes on the repetitive tasks so we can focus on strategy, relationships, and higher value work. Think of AI as an intern or a new employee. Fast, tireless, but it needs guidance. A great starting exercise is to onboard your AI like a new hire. Tell ChatGPT about your business. Give it context. Then ask it to come back with 10 questions so it really understands what you do. Answer those questions thoughtfully. That process trains your AI. It starts to learn your voice, your priorities, even your sense of humor. Here's a hands-on exercise. Once you're comfortable, try small, safe experiments. Here's some practical ways to build confidence step by step. LinkedIn post comments, for example. Start a thread called LinkedIn post comments. Paste in a post you'd like to respond to and ask ChatGPT to suggest a thoughtful professional comment. If there are emojis like rockets, remove them before posting. Write your own posts. Once you're comfortable, draft a post yourself. Then ask your AI partner to improve it. Then close the loop. When you tweak the output, share your finished version back with ChatGPT. This way, it learns how you improve things, and over time, it adapts more closely to your style. The key is to treat AI like a junior colleague you're mentoring. The more you teach it, the more useful it becomes. Here's some practical first steps. Once you're confident, here's how to grow. Everyday productivity. Draft emails, reports, or client updates. Turn notes into polished summaries or checklists. As a thought partner, brainstorm estate strategies or succession scenarios. Ask AI to role play alternative viewpoints to strengthen advice. Custom GPTs are tailored AI models built with your templates, documents, and style. For example, an estate planning GPT that knows your trust templates and language. AI agents. GPTs respond when asked. Agents act. They can automate tasks like logging client updates into your CRM, sending follow-up reminders, running routine data analysis in the background. Start small and stay safe. Use AI internally first. Define what's safe for AI, drafting summaries versus what remains human-led, like judgment, ethics, and final review. Here's some common concerns about AI. Will AI replace me? AI augments human capabilities rather than replacing judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence that professionals bring to their work. You may ask, is my data safe? Choose AI tools with strong privacy policies. Be cautious about sharing confidential information and check your organization's AI usage policies. What about accuracy? Always verify AI outputs. These tools can make mistakes or hallucinate. They can hallucinate information, so human oversight always remains essential. You would check an intern's work, right? So continue to check your AI work in the same way. Here's a case study of how I use AI. I use it for creating and refining courses, for building quizzes and certifications, drafting and improving emails and newsletters, writing LinkedIn posts and professional comments. The ultimate edge combines AI with CEO coaching to accelerate decision-making and uncover blind spots. I believe that CEOs have a big responsibility to decide what type of AI they should use in their companies, and especially when they're hiring and firing, they should really understand AI themselves. AI has increased my productivity and freed up at least 10 hours per week, allowing me to focus on strategy and relationships. AI isn't a passing fad. It's the new professional toolkit. The firms that adopt it thoughtfully will serve clients faster, more efficiently, and with greater insight. So the question isn't whether to start, it's where my challenge to you starts. Pick one small step this week, maybe draft an email with AI or summarize a document or try the intern onboarding exercise. That's how you build confidence. Thank you. I love to share this. Thanks for watching. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to elevate you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to The Edge AI Strategy for more practical insights, case studies, and tutorials. And if you're ready to go further, learn more at the Barr Business School, https://barbusinessschool.com. Explore free and premium courses designed for professionals adopting AI. Subscribe to the Edge AI Strategy for weekly insights. Think with AI, not just use it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.